Good morning, everybody. It's actually in the middle of the week right now, but I thought I would just start off a little weekly vlog for you guys, bring you along with me and just show you everything I get up to. You guys know the drill. This weekend is actually going to be so fun because we have a game day, and I really wanted to bring you guys along with me because I think it's our last one, I want to say. We've had 2 this year so far, and obviously they're a little different than usual than the previous years due to COVID, but it's still just fun seeing all your friends and celebrating game day. But yeah, I just wanted to do like an OG college game day vlog for you guys and throw back. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say. But that's the plan for the weekend. I've also been obsessed with this drink. I want to show you guys. The brand is Lemon Perfect. This is the just lemon flavor. It's my favorite one. They did send me a PR package like a couple weeks ago, but I just repurchased them because, like I said, I'm obsessed with them. But it's basically just flavored water. If you guys have like a harder time drinking water, or if you like feel like you need to make more of an effort to drink water during the day, this is really good. You guys need to try it. While I'm showing you guys drinks, this is also another really good one. It's supposed to be like a healthy, I guess, alternative of soda. I'm honestly not a huge soda drinker, but this does taste exactly like cream soda. It's kind of crazy. They also have so many different flavors like root beer or ginger ale. Literally, you name it. It's one of my favorites. Okay, just finished up with my Zoom class. It also got super gloomy out, so if the lighting is kind of bad, I'm sorry. But I have a couple packages that I just got. And so I thought I would do a little unboxing with you guys and show you what I got. First thing, I kind of already opened it because I got excited. But it's from Kith. They're these really cool pants. Kind of hard to tell over camera, but look how sick this material is. Really liked these though because I have been really just needing like a good pair of basic black pants that aren't sweats. That I can run errands in and still like look semi-presentable. But yeah, these are sick. I hope they fit well. Okay, next thing I got is from Revolve. This is actually for game day. Okay, so first thing I got are these hand weights or like slash ankle weights. I've heard so many people talk about these, and I've been doing a lot of flow workouts. And so I feel like they just like will be a little bit more intense with just like 1 pound hand weights, even though these are kind of heavy for 1 pound. I'm so excited for this because I haven't gotten game day clothes in the longest time, probably since like last year. I saw this really sick red tracksuit that I thought would just be perfect. It's just this little cropped hoodie, and then it just comes with these matching sweats. Oh, I actually just remembered I got a jacket last week off Revolve for game day. Let me show it to you guys really quick. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Kind of hard to show you guys on camera, but it is seriously the coziest thing ever, and it's so cute. I also love how it's this super nice Sherpa material, and then it has this like contrast with this pocket. I feel like this is also just perfect for fall. But this is actually from my friend's company. He has this brand called Chop and Drop. Basically, he makes all different types of music playlists. I don't know if he came out with this stuff or if he just is gifting people, but how cool is this? So excited to wear this. It's also very soft. But yeah, check out Chop and Drop on Instagram. Plug. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I've got. I guess that was more of like a little mini haul, so I hope you enjoyed. Put some gym clothing on. Okay, so it's obviously a new day today. I actually just got back to my apartment because I had to take a COVID test. We weren't able to fully register for classes this coming semester until we did so. Also, maybe it's just me, but I really don't mind taking them. I feel like it's like a good peace of mind. I also didn't bring you guys along with me because I feel like you guys have seen probably a bunch, and I've also brought you to a couple other ones. But anyways, right now I really want to try and go get my nails done. I don't have an appointment anymore, so fingers crossed I can just walk in somewhere. After that, I'll probably just come back here and cook some dinner, keep it clean and healthy. But yeah, that's pretty much the game plan. The dishwasher's on right now, so if you hear a noise in the background, that's what that is. But I just made some fish, some roasted sweet potato with a little bit of salt, pepper, and cinnamon, and then some charred broccoli. Super yum. Morning, guys. It's around almost 8:30 right now. I just made myself a little bit of coffee, but we're gonna do a little bit of makeup right now and start getting ready for game day. I'm gonna just cleanse my face up a little bit first because I have some fake tanner on. There we go, clean face. I haven't really been washing my face too much in the morning because my skin's super dry right now, so I try and only wash it like at least once a day. No, not at least once a day. Wash it once a day. Yeah, I'm exhausted. It's 8 in the morning. I haven't woken up this early in so long. I also just used this Bioderma micellar water to cleanse my face a little bit. Also, if you guys are in college, get a little makeup kit like this because I literally keep all of my makeup in it. I have since freshman year. It just holds all your makeup in one place, and you guys can go to your friends' dorms or apartments. You can take it on the go, whatnot. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of moisturizer, Clinique Moisture Surge. This is the intense one because it's winter and my skin is a little bit drier than usual. I like to take this SKII Cellumination Cream. I kind of don't have really any more left of this, but this stuff's my fave. I need to get more. Gonna take these Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, and I like putting this on my hand because I like to blend it out before I put it on my face. I feel like it just goes on a little bit better. And then if I have a little extra, I'll just put it on like my chest area and a little bit. Just blend it out later. I'm going to use a little bit of this Makeup Forever concealer. I'm in the shade 31.5. Just a little bit. And I'm actually going to use this YSL Touche Clat. I think I definitely said that wrong. But I'm going to put a little bit of that on my chin because I break out really easily around my chin. And the concealer does, the Makeup Forever concealer does not help that situation. And then just blend all that out. Put a chapstick, prep my lips for later. Okay, gonna take a little bit of the Chanel Tan de Soleil cream bronzer. I'm literally out of this. Just take this little brush, SKII Cosmetics, and I kind of go like that to see where my cheekbone is. And then just go a little bit above it and then kind of blend upwards. Put it on my ear, blend it kind of just everywhere. I just use this as kind of like more of a base just to give me some warmth and a little extra glow. I'm going to go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Little Duo, the bronzer side, and give my face a little bit more bronze. Blend it down. I'm gonna take this Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlight. I use this all the time and they don't sell it anymore, and I'm really gonna be sad when they run out. Cheekbones, a little bit of nose highlight. I mean, that glow, so good. This is the best eyebrow pencil I've ever used. It's by Tom Ford. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but it's bomb. I first just brush them up a little bit. Done, just like that. Super simple. My camera just died, so if I moved around a little bit, that's why. But eyebrows done. I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow now. I'm gonna just take this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer I used and just kind of put it all over my eye as a base. And I also just bring it down a little bit too on my under eye. I'm not too precise with this. I'm gonna go in with this little Chantecaille. I'm not saying that right. I'm so sorry. But this is what it looks like. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. Super pretty color. It's in the shade Sylvie. Put this kind of all over as well. This is a really, really pretty shade. Just keeping it super natural because it's during the day and I don't want it to look like too crazy, and I also don't really care. I'm gonna just go in with my finger with this and just press it into my lid. I'm gonna go in with this super precise brush and bring it on my under eye. I like to start in the middle and then bring it up here. I'm actually gonna go in this little Charlotte Tilbury Quad sparkly shade with my finger again and just press it only on my lid. And I know this sounds not professional at all, and I'm not really professional at all, but I just take this brush I used for my highlight. It's a super tiny brush, and I kind of just blend it out. Done. Blended. I'm gonna take a little bit of eyebrow gel and just brush them up a little bit. I'm gonna use some Kat Von D liquid liner, and I only bring it on like the outer half of my eye and just a super thin line. I'm gonna comb my lashes a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the Honest Beauty mascara. I love this stuff. Not too crazy, just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Honest Cream blusher. This is in the shade Coral Peach. This is super pretty. Just a little bit, tap it on the back of my hand because it's super pigmented. How pretty is that? A little bit on my nose. Give the sun-kissed look. Okay, so my newest thing I've been doing with my lips is taking my concealer brush and just taking leftover concealer on it and just patting it on. And then I go in with this Patrick Ta lip liner in the shade She's Strong. It sounds a little weird, but the next thing I do is I take this KKW Beauty actually eyeliner. I just take this and only put it where my Cupid's bow is. And then just blend it out a little bit. And then I will just take a little bit of this Dior lip glow and just give myself a little bit of color and just pat it. I'm done. Okay, and that is the makeup look. I'm gonna go get dressed now and then I'll show you guys what I come up with. Okay, and this is the game day outfit. It's actually really hot here in Indiana today, so I'm gonna wear a dress and then maybe this bomber or this black one. I'm not sure. Also ignore the mess on my bed. But right now I'm gonna go to my sorority house and hang out with everyone before we actually go out. So I will see you guys there. Good morning.
Hello, hello.
We're getting ready for game day.
Oh yes. Gotta put the hoops on.
Guys, it's such a nice day out today. It's like what, 70 degrees? Say good morning to the vlog, Mia. Good morning. This is the fit for game day. Very cute.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Lemon perfect waters and veggie chips.
Mia causing a scene.
Also, I think I'm going with this jacket. Why does Sophia look like she's like an angel glowing right now? You're glow, it's the light in the back. 2, 1. Let me take you dancing. My dad just FaceTimed me and he's clearly celebrating game day.